we have said that you have to focus on the core functions of the university, such that all universities, the only recruitment they will be able to do when it is necessary is for the teaching staff. The non-teaching staff, when a natural attrition or anything happens, we have said no more recruitment until we sort out the financial challenges that we have in our public universities, in order to determine who comes from where and who should be able to get what kind of amount. And that exercise, I'm happy to announce, it was completed, and we have now released 5.2 billion to the first years in the form of loans. You must stay in areas which are good, areas which are decent, and that is why we're here, so that the Ruto administration can be able to start a project here of accommodating students, hostels, which will accommodate up to 10,000 students. And that's why my brother will be able to tell you more about it, what we are going to come up with, and soon enough, early next year. Unamutaka rais nimulete hapa aje Burundi?